Hey guys, in this video we're going to find out how to square numbers that end with a 5. Let's start by doing 5 squared. That's an easy one. 5 squared is 25. And 15 squared, we don't know what that is, so let's write down all the numbers that end with a 5 from 15 to 95, or maybe we can go a little bit higher. 15 squared, 25 squared, 35 squared, 45 squared, and so on. Let's write these numbers down. 55 squared, 65 squared, and so on. 5 squared, 105 squared, 115 squared. Let's finish off with 125 rather, squared. Okay, so we start off with 5 squared, that's 25. 15 squared, that'll end with 25. 25 squared will end up with 25. And these ones will all end up with 25. So let's write these down quickly. There you go. And let's go back to the first one here. So 5 squared is 25. That's done. To get 15 squared, you look at the first number here, the first digit in 15 squared, which is a 1. Multiply 1 by the number that comes right after it, which is 2. And 1 times 2 is 2. So the number that goes here is 2. And the answer is 225. In this case, 25 squared, multiply 2 by the number that comes right after it. And 2 times 3 is 6. So we write a 6 here, and that's your answer. 35 squared, multiply 3 by 4, and that gives us 12. So the answer is 1225. 4 times 5 is 20, so the answer is 2025. 5 times 6 is 30, so the answer is 3025. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 8 is 56. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 10 is 90, so we write 90 here. 10 times 11 is 110. 11 times 12 is 132, and 12 times 13 is 156. These are just a few examples of numbers that are multiplied by themselves when they end with a 5. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video.